नमस्कार इंट्यूटिव सोल्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आई होप आपका प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है। आई नो यू आर डूइंग बेस्ट एंड दैट्स द वे यू कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड इन योर लाइफ विद लव एंड कंपैशन। Let's begin the journey. Before we start the journey today, I want you to keep a pen and paper and an audio video device with yourself so that you can record it. Okay? And you can also play a soft music with that. That is mandatory for today. Kindly keep a pen and a paper with you before starting this exercise. Play some soothing music of your choice and follow the steps mentioned below. The task for the day will make you aware of this hidden power in you. Do this, you will know more about yourself. Let's do it. Sit in a comfortable position, especially in Sukhasana. Take few deep breaths and visualize yourself in a safe and soothing place, like a 5-year-old child. Again, we are going to do an inner journey with the childhood reflection. Visualize yourself that as you are adult and standing in front of the mirror. And imagine while looking into the mirror, you suddenly become a small little child of 5-year-old. Watch adult self looking with the eyes of your 5-year-old self, asking, how are you? Listen to the inner voice, what it says to you. Pause for few seconds to connect with the little one. Next question is to ask from your inner child, what is your purpose of life? What makes you come here on this planet? What is the most passionate thing you want to achieve in your life? Knowing your purpose in life by listening to yourself patiently. We all know how to get connected with ourselves and have all the answers to our questions, but we become so busy in our routine task of life that we forgot to connect with ourselves, which is divine, ignited and pure. As soon as you get connect with your purpose, start taking action on it. Live it to the fullest. Allow yourself to live a life full of purpose. Start enjoying your task you do for yourself to empower you. Affirmation: I'm ready to fulfill my purpose of life and I'm acknowledging my exercise. Now I want you to just listen to the steps I'm telling you right now to do. Let's sit in a comfortable position and quiet place. Close your eyes gently and I want you to focus on your feet, especially onto the thumb of your right feet, and inhale from the right feet to your crown chakra. आंखें बंद करके पैरों के ऊपर ध्यान देना है, स्पेशली राइट पैर के ऊपर और राइट अंगूठे के ऊपर, और वहां से अपनी श्वास को ऊपर खींचते हुए क्राउन चक्रा तक लाना है. Repeat it 11 times. Inhale from the feet. Exhale from the top. Inhale and stretch towards the top and exhale back from the top. पैर के अंगूठे से खींचते हुए सिर के सहस्त्र चक्र तक लेकर जाते हुए नीचे लाकर फीट से ही रिलीज कीजिए. सांसें लंबी और गहरी हो और 11 बार आपको रिपीट करना है. एज यू रिपीटिंग इट, affirm, I'm ready to know my purpose of life. I'm ready to know my purpose of life. I'm ready to know my purpose of life. The moment you've done 11 times, I want you to imagine a mirror in front of you. एक मिरर को इमेजिन करना है अपने सामने और अपने आप को करंट पोजीशन में इमेजिन करते हुए देखना है. अपना अडल्टहुड जो इस समय आप हैं वैसे, और आपके ठीक साथ में इमेजिन करना है आपका ही बचपन का एक इमेज जब आप 5 साल के थे उस मिरर में देखें. इमेजिन इट इनटू दैट मिरर. और ये छोटा बच्चा अब आपके प्रेजेंट सेल्फ को देख रहा है और आप उसे देख रहे हैं. इमेजिन कीजिए. And as you're imagining this little child is looking at you, I want you to ask, this child knows what is your purpose of life. Ask this little one, why you are here. और क्या कारण है कि आपका जन्म हुआ है, वो पर्पस क्या है. Go closer to this child and this child will come near to your ear. आपके कानों के पास आके धीरे से वो आपको आपका पर्पस बता रहा है. I want you to be aware to receive this message from that. Now as you have received the message, I want you to hug this child and say thank you for coming in and telling you the purpose of life. Now slowly and gradually rub your palms, keep it on your face and open your eyes gently.